Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Agenocraft. Today we're gonna do some spray paint art for my very good friend Susan. She asked me to make her a spray paint art tray, so I'm gonna do some Galaxy spray paint on this one. Put a couple of handles on it and flat coat it with clear resin. But in this video, I'm gonna do the spray paint art for our pleasure. Now, I need to find some spray can tops. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, I think I have everything. So she wanted me to replicate something I have done before, which is pretty much impossible. But I'll try. I just need to find good heads. Okay, so we'll start off with this color. So I waited for it to dry and I resprayed some parts to get some colors in the tin. I think it's so far so good. Anyway, let's do some stars. And we're gonna need a comet somewhere. We need to commit to a comet. Like that. On there. That's pretty good. How do you guys like it? I hope you like it. It's pretty awesome. I almost forgot to shoot this part of the video. It's crazy. Today I'm shooting like 4 or 5 videos at the same time. While one thing dries, I do the other. So this commission is for Susan. And this is the Galaxy Tray. Volume 2. So where I'm with this project right now is I taped up the sides, I taped up the bottom where I had the knots in the wood, and now I'm pouring a clear coat over the piece. You know what, let's mix it a little bit more, just in case. Alright, this should do it. Okay. So you're just gonna chuck it like so. All right, nice one. And then we get our spatula and make sure that resin hits every corner of the piece, because we want kind of an even coverage everywhere. Oh boy, it's very hot today. Again, it's about 100 to 110 Fahrenheit in the workshop, but at least I have a little bit of a breeze, a little bit of a wind going on. Oh boy, I think I messed it up. The masking tape has released, which is not good. It's not great. Well, as the smart and more experienced people say, it is what it is. Get rid of the bubbles. Okay, this is not really what I wanted. Okay, I need to lift up this corner. So I am going to put a spatula here. Should put these away. This is definitely not fun. This is not dripping anywhere for now. I might do a double pour. Don't know yet. Anyway, I'm gonna move this bad boy until it levels out properly, and then I'm gonna add two nice handles to it. Now you can drill it. And you can put the handles in that way. Or you can just put it in the epoxy, it will stay there, it won't get out, it won't break off. Because epoxy is pretty solid stuff to work with. Okay, it's alright. I'm gonna put one handle here. I'm gonna make sure it's parallel to the edge. I hope that's the word. That's the other one I'm gonna put here. Yeah, I should have sanded the edge and then taped it, but yeah, lesson learned. I got a little bit of drip. Let's hope it's not gonna get too serious. Alright. Anyway, I'll catch you guys when it's ready. Good morning, everyone. Last day I done the sanding, and finally Susan's tray is ready. Ta-da! So by the time I got to this video, I have a supporter painting you can buy on my Craft page. You can see it here. So if you want to support me that way, you can buy actually an art piece from me for 15 euros, and you can support me on buymeacoffee.com as well if you want to become a monthly supporter. But if you buy something from my website, you get something in exchange for your money. So I just wanted to put it out there. Okay, so this is the piece. How do you like it? It's got some thickness to it, you know. It's got the resin coat on it, nice and mirrory. Can you see it? It's a beautiful flat coat. It came out really nice. I'm gonna apply some Windex to it. Sorry for the camera shaking. I'm gonna apply some Windex to it, then I'm gonna tongue oil the bottom, put some feet on it, and I'm gonna hand deliver this to my dear Susan, who asked for this commission. I really hope you got something out of this video. I can't remember when I started it. It's probably a long one. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I see you guys in the next one. Bye.